face.
Now hold it up and then just pull it down where
Just
she
hold it up
can
in the
see.
air. Just hold it up.
Or put it over your head and then pull it off.
Put it over your head.
Put it over your head, Joe.
There you go.
Look how big.
Now pull it
Look
down.
how I did. I used the magic wand.
Cool.
Do it again.
Do it again. Put it over your head. You like that, Lily Bug? Do you like
Put it
it?
over your head.
No.
Put it over your head.
Put it over your head, Joe.
That. Your eraser.
Do it again.
Do it again. She likes that game.
Can I try?
All right, let Alan have the blanket. He wants to play.
Can I try?
Ooh, that sunshine is right in the bad spot for this.
I'm a dumb mom. Where's Lily? Peekaboo. Up there, Mom. Peekaboo. Up there, Mom. Where's Lily? Peekaboo. Where's Peekaboo? Where's Lily? Peekaboo. There she is. Where's Lily? Peekaboo. There she is.